Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today's video tutorial will show you how to drag columns in Excel. Open up your MX Excel on your PC, select the column you want to drag. Now, you click on the letter at the top of the column to select all columns, then you right click and select or click on Cut. Now you move your cursor to an empty colon, you select it, click on the letter, right click and click on Insert Cut Cells. Now you see that the cells in this column have been moved to column E. So that is how you drag columns in Excel. Hope you enjoyed the video and the video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this. Bye guys and see you in the next video.